Hello everybody, welcome to 680 Sundance Court in Prosper, Texas. This is 8.25 million. It's just over 10,000 square feet. It's got an A-plus car garage, 2-story pool, adult game room. It's decked out to the nine, truly custom built home here located in one of the most exquisite neighborhoods in the entire city. Come on in, let's go check it out. So we're here in the entryway where we have custom lighting throughout the entire house. To our left, as you enter the house, we have the office. We have a full-on bathroom to our left as well. And then to the right-hand side, we have your guest bedroom, which has a full steam shower, custom cabinetry throughout, tile throughout the entire house. So we'll go ahead and start up front and get going. Here's the guest bedroom that we have to the right side of the house. As you can see, you've got a custom built fireplace. This is actually made of steel, custom chandeliers. We've got recessed lighting up inside the wood beams that come across the house throughout the living room as well as other bedrooms. Let's go in here and check on the bathroom. So in this bathroom, you have a double vanity. You've got all Kohler top-end appliances, custom countertops, all imported. We've got a steam shower as well in here and the master. In here we have a custom closet. That's walk-in as well. You have lights that have been dedicated in all the mirrors. In here to the left of the house, right when you walk in, we have the office. Custom tile throughout here. Built-in cabinets. You have your view from the front of the house. Very simple, very elegant. Storage in there as well. Over here to the left is where we have our guest bathroom. This is a pretty cool bathroom. It's all purple. Now again, they have Kohler sinks as well throughout here. This is the main living room throughout the home. And as you can tell, you've got floor to ceiling windows that look into the backyard for the infinity pool, which we'll get to in a second. Custom chandelier in here. You have cross beams up in the ceiling line, and again, you've got recessed lighting in there. Another cool feature is they've got the commercial slots for all their AC units, so you don't have those grates as well that most people have. As you look here, here's the fireplace that they have. Again, steel as well. Bookshelves, custom built. As we transition from the living room, we'll head over here to the kitchen. Now, the cool thing about this kitchen is it has actually two of them. So first off, you've got also two countertops or bar stools seating areas. So this is where you can entertain, have people over, they can eat. You have bar stools on both sides. This is also your primary kitchen where you have your sink, custom top-of-the-line Wolf appliances. You got your see-through Sub-Zero fridge. Over here we have kind of a breakfast area. You've got your Melee top espresso coffee machine, whatever you want, they've got it. Over here, you've also got a custom bookshelf that they've built in that services the living room as well. Now, what we'll do is we'll come over here through this kitchen and you'll see just how it services for a prep kitchen. So as we go through the back side of this kitchen, there's a sliding door right here, okay? And you can come through here, and the really neat thing is, well, first off, you have a ginormous pantry. So here's the pantry for the entire house. Look at this thing. Massive. Absolutely massive. Floor to ceiling, tons of storage. But the neat thing is, since this sits in the middle of the primary kitchen, to the right is the service kitchen. And in here, you have a commercial grade refrigerator, all right? And you've got a door that has access to a direct path. So if you have catering companies, if you're gonna have an event or party, they can actually come in through the back side of this, get it all prepped, come through there and have it nice and presented, and you don't have to worry about all the mess. Or if you just eat a lot and you need extra storage and secondary stove and extra ovens. Now as we leave the kitchen, we have this restaurant style swinging door. Come on through here, which actually leads to the media room. There's a hallway to the right, so it doesn't go directly to it, but check this out. Custom curtains throughout. Top of the line, surround sound system, the plushest carpet you can get. You have a full-on 3 to 4 person couch here, projector screen, custom imported countertops here. You have a bar in the back as well, so you can sit there and watch the games or movies if you like. So as we leave the media room, come back into the main area where the kitchen was here to the right. You can also see a side view of that kitchen and how both islands are situated. You have underglow lighting as well. Custom countertops as backsplash all throughout the kitchen. And then we'll loop back around, and this is where the dining room is, which also is in the corner of where your pool is located. You got an outdoor living area, custom lighting as well. The paint up in the ceiling actually has like a sheen to it, so when these lights hit it, it kind of glistens. Really cool feature. You also have your service and prep area here with all your cabinets. So if you've got your high-end plates, etc., you can have it here to service this dining room. But from there, this is the whole entire master wing, which is one of the best parts of the house. So let's go check that out. So as we enter the master, okay, just immediately to your left, you're gonna have a full-on sink, refrigerator, little service cabinets here as well for decor or whatnot, but you don't have to even walk to the kitchen to get yourself something to drink. Now, as we come through the master, you have huge custom floor-to-ceiling shelves that were built specifically and designed for this house. This is the view you have that you get to wake up to every day. This is turf that leads actually to a putting green, which we'll get into in a second. But again, master bedroom. You've got the custom beams throughout the ceiling here, custom chandeliers. You have the recessed lighting in these beams. You got the custom shelves on this side, fireplace, floating sitting area, as well as the steel. Truly one of a kind master bedroom in here. Now from here, we'll go into this master bathroom, which is beautiful. Now in here you have custom top of the line Kohler tubs, shower head, etc. The whole entire bathroom has been sealed because this is a steam shower, so none of that moisture gets behind this tile. But you've got his vanity, her vanity. Again, floor to ceiling tile, it looks like a hotel. Built-in glass shelves here. One of the most expensive toilets I've ever seen. I don't know all the bells and whistles that come with it, but it does a lot of things. So feel free to check that one out. Look at this. This is like a party. Body sprayers all throughout, double heads, rain shower. You even have speakers in there. You have, this is pretty cool, like down below, you have all your built-in shelves, so that way all your stuff isn't sitting up there for people to see, so you can still use it and have it look pretty, but just massive, massive. Oh, and also out here, we have an outdoor shower, so if you're outside and you get dirty, you can just come right over here, shower out here. Don't worry about tracking it all inside. Or if you wanted to use this as like a dog bathing area or whatever, an outdoor shower, it's got its own light. This is a pretty cool feature. Now as we leave the master bathroom, this is where we flow into the master closet. So as you can tell, this is probably one of the most nicest closets I've ever seen. His and her vanities for all their stuff. These cabinets right here slide out, which is where you can house all your shoes, which is pretty neat. No space was wasted. You actually have top shelves throughout all this, custom lighting as well through all these fixtures. Big boy safe here to hide all your goodies. And again, more custom shelves. Every inch of this closet was designed and built to have the most adequate space possible. Full-length mirror on this side, so you're able to see yourself before you head out for the evening. So one cool thing is, look at these exposed iron beams throughout the ceiling. So again, master bedroom on that side, service kitchen, got your media room. Oh, one more thing we need to show you. Let's make a U-turn real quick. Come on, Bobby, keep up with me. Once we leave the master bedroom and we're passing the media room, a gym. And this is a good little boutique gym, so it could be used for cardio. If you wanted to have another bedroom, you could use it as a bedroom, or just overflow from, if you make your closet larger, you could use that too. But, you know, very nice view from the windows. You have the ability to have natural light when you're working out, which is quite important. Now, these windows are also sliding doors. So you have the ability to open all of these up and service it for like a party, or have this open up so you can use the outside living room and also the inside living room. Now this is where we get to the fun part. So you have about a 1200 plus temperature controlled wine room in there. And you also have this table where you can do your tasting. If you fancy that as well, this is all a stone wall. And I don't know if you can tell, but there is a little bit of like some sparkle flakes in this. So at nighttime, these custom lights, this glistens. It's really pretty. You've got another refrigerator in here to keep it temperature controlled. Again, imported countertops. This house has it all. Here's the best part. This is the game room. And in here, you've got multiple sitting areas. Who doesn't want this as a piece of furniture? Yes, I like this. There are two living areas here that you can hang out in this game room. Again, custom fireplace, an area to sit, under lighting, steel mantle, gigantic TV. You've got over here, pool table. Everyone needs a pool table. You've got over here a shuffleboard table that you have the ability to hang out and play with your friends. This massive bar that is really cool. When we designed this, we put glass in the back of this bar so you have the ability to see into the garage. You can see they got my car up on the rack right now. And so you've got ice maker, you've got a dishwasher, full Kohler sink. This is all imported from overseas. Exotic countertops. You've got multiple Sub-Zero refrigerators on the back. All right, as we leave the game room, okay, go through these doors, this is where we get to the massive, massive garage. So there's two separate garages. This is one of them, has a full service gym. As you can tell, it has a car lift that you're able to fit another car underneath, as well as a sports car on top. It's got custom flooring throughout and a state-of-the-art gym. And at $8.25 million, the gym will stay with the house. So you're able to get 3 full-size cars in here, including parking one under there, and then one on top would be 4. We have this custom lighting throughout the garage. We have speakers built in, so when you're getting your workout on, you have the ability to jam out. All right, so this whole side of the house is the kids area or the additional bedrooms. So you kind of have your living in the middle, master and all that set up over there, and then kids are, again, other guests. So this is actually the bathroom and restroom that services this whole game room. Black custom tile throughout the entire house. You got these nice backsplashes here. You got a full-on shower, kind of a locker cabinet deal here where you could sit and get changed if you're coming from the pool. This is just beautiful. If you look to your left, you have the ability to see the pool and look on out and just take in this view from all these floor-to-ceiling windows. Okay, so through here, the kids' game room, or a secondary game room, or whatever you'd like to make it. We got custom built-in shelves there. This was kind of dedicated to like having little desk areas, so if they want to do homework, they have the ability to do that and also hang out and play and have kind of like their own little gathering place. All right, as we come through here, we're going to have our first bedroom on our left. Now again, you've got custom Kohler. You've got tile throughout the house. This is the girls' room, so they've got like a pink backsplash in there, which is really cool and really unique that you'll be able to see that. Custom walk-in closet, floor-to-ceiling shelves. I mean, there's not a single wasted space. You have the ability to get tons of clothes in here. This is as large as some people's master closets, actually. So we'll go to the bedroom part. And as you can tell, quite large rooms. corner of the house, so you have nice windows on both sides, roll down shades, lots of fun. On this side of this bedroom, we have our another bedroom, which is through here. This is the same kind of setup, except this is more a blue for the little boy. And you've got the ability to have custom tile as well. This toilet that keeps raising up on me. Look at this shower. It's pretty cool. Love the tile choices here. Imported countertops, your walk-in closet. So, really neat. Lots of room, lots of space. It was designed with the intent to have nothing wasted. They did a really, really good job. So what we'll do is we'll head on out. We're gonna have one more room to visit. Now this room is a third bedroom, but when we designed it, we built it as a bunk room. So these bunk beds are able to be removed in the event that you wanted to make this into a third bedroom. However, these are pretty industrial. And then if you look up in here, you gotta take my word on it. There's a nook that we built, so it's like a big reading area. It's probably 80% the size of this bedroom. And you have a little ladder, you can go up there and hang out, or if you just want to get away from whatever. Their bathroom is right through here. Again, walk-in closets, Kohler throughout the entire house. It's just immaculate. All right, now last stop is the outside, which is probably one of the coolest features of this house, is just the size of this lot. It's situated just about 1.9 acres, a little bit over that. The cool thing about this backyard is it's a 2-level pool, so come check this out. So out here we have your outdoor dining room. Again, custom wood beams throughout the ceiling, speakers throughout, custom pavers. You've got your turf in between the pavers, your infinity edge mosaic tile pool that overlooks your entire backyard. You have fire pits. You've got another living area here with another fireplace and undermount lighting. You've got the world's largest fan, ginormous. And then you've got another seating area as well right here. Now, remember, you can open up these windows and doors to have the ability to surface and hang out inside and outside. As we round over here to the left, imported countertops, your big green egg, pizza maker, you got your cooler, ice maker, sink, custom grill, another refrigerator, you got your Yoder smoker, I like that name, Yoder smoker, that you can do if you want to cook some barbecue. And then you have your area where you can sit out, tan, hang out, whatever you want to do. Over here to the right is where you got your putting green. Now this is turf. It's multi-level, so you have the ability to get a little putting green on action. And as we walk down here, you're gonna see that we have fire pit bowls, a glass banister that's see-through to the second level of the pool. So this has a very slow drip. And you have bar stools that are built into the pool. Overlook the backyard if you like. Now over here, this is the size of this yard, ginormous. Again, 1.9 acres. It has a creek behind it, so you have full privacy. There may or may not be a Cowboys player that lives right over there. But check out this view from the back of the house. I mean, you can literally be in the pool and just take all that in. It's beautiful.